Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shubhank Mitra, and in this video I'm going to be talking about this new app. Actually the app is not really new, but yeah, it is pretty new for me. I've been using it for 3 months. Now the app is Notion. Now I like to call it an all-in-one app because it has literally every feature that I've ever wanted. I mean, it basically allows you to. Okay, let me give you an answer of what Notion is exactly. Now, Notion is an application that provides components such as notes, databases, Kanban boards. Um, you may not know about them, but you will figure them out later on. Then wikis, calendars, and reminders. Users can connect these components to create their own systems for knowledge management, note taking, data management, project management, among others. So that's what the website gives the definition as. But I mean, this app is so amazing. I've never seen such an amazing app. It basically Notion is like Lego without instructions. So there are pieces that you can assemble it whichever way you want. So you can create a kind of set of pages, as they like to call it, which you can basically create databases and like full um, tablets of information. Like there, you can insert tons of information, and you can sort them in a in a structured form, and you can customize it along the way. So I would say that Notion is the best app that I've ever been introduced to because it has so many features, and it allows you to customize it in almost any way you want to and create a beautiful new um, beautiful new whatever you want to create. Literally, it is a pretty amazing app. Yeah. So the website, it is written as all-in-one workspace. That's what I would call it as well. um, it can also work for teams as well as for you. It is absolutely free. There was one roadblock for those who were using the free plan, which was 1,000 blocks only. But um, now that the now they have changed it to make it unlimited blocks, so you can take the free plan. It's amazing. Now it works on web, mobile, Mac, or Windows. So say you're having some trouble downloading the Mac or Windows app, you can use it on the web. And now there's also an extension of the Notion called Notion Web Clipper, which basically allows you to save Notion web addresses. I will be showing you that in another video. So if you do want to see that video and don't want to forget to see that video, subscribe to my channel and click on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss that video when it comes out. Now these are sample pages. I will be showing you how to create pages and all that, but basically, yeah, you can add notes over here. You can manage your projects and tasks like this. Like these are Kanban boards that are like not starters is a section where you can put these small cards, and then you can move them to the other boards like in progress or completed. Then yeah, and it has a lot of things on the website, on the official page. Now, just a second. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll be showing you the app that I've downloaded my my PC. Um, I've created a new page called sample pages. I will be showing you how to create a new page, of course. So basically, first of all, I have this window. If I click here, I can open up this sidebar. Then I have two workspaces. The first one is my own workspace, my personal workspace, and the second one is for my YouTube channel for creating all these sample pages and all that. Okay, then you can hide this sidebar by clicking over here. Alright, now if you want to create a new page, you would simply click on add a page, and then you so when you will open the app, when you download it or when you open it on the web, you will be literally greeted with a blinking cursor, literally. That's a quite weird thing to be happening, and you don't know what to type. But basically, you have to type the title of the new page. Think of it as a notebook. When you're creating notebooks, you would add a title to that note to that page of a particular page. So say sample pages, sample page. Okay. Now I can now see this again, a blinking cursor after pressing enter. And okay, first I'll add a cover, then you can basically add an image over here. They've added a default image. I can change that by clicking on change cover. I can reposition it like inside the image. Yeah. Okay, then I can press, I think it's the /, and then I can select from all the basic blocks that are present. So if I had not pressed, I just wanted to add plain text, I would not have to click on this now after pressing /. I could simply start typing like this is a new video. And now if I want to add something other than a simple this whatever it did, a simple text, then I can click on any one of these. You have to explore them on your own, because I can't cover all of them in this video. But say I want to create a new page, and I would name that sub page. Now this page basically rests inside the page that I created earlier. So for example, sample page which I created just now, inside that there is the sub page. You don't necessarily need to add a sub page. I can add an icon like yeah. Now I can type literally anything. I could add a database, but I will be showing that to you in another video. How do databases work in Notion? But till then, you can read the documentation by clicking on the question mark button on the bottom right corner of the screen, on the app, or on the web browser, or on the web app. Okay, so you can create another page. You can add a to-do list, you can add a heading, then you can create a bulleted list, a numbered list, toggle list, a quote, a divider, a link to a page that already exists, call out. Then there are like tons of things, but I would plead you to figure at least some of them on your own, and create your own your own system of managing things, of entering things, and again going through things. You can use Notion to do almost anything you want. I will be showing you some applications of Notion in another video that I will be creating in the future. So if you don't want to miss that, smash the like button on this video, click on the subscribe button, and click on the post notifications bell so that you don't miss that one. In that one, I'll be showing you some of the examples of the things that some systems that I've already created in Notion, like for my YouTube channel, for my school, for managing my school assignments and my school work, then going through the chapters again, and then I have like normal notes. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so there are like tons of things. I will be showing you them, but before that you have to try to create your own system. You have to go through the documentation. There are some good keyboard shortcuts, you can go through that in the documentation, but I could tell you some things. The first one is you can create the topmost and there's a hierarchy. So okay, I want to create a bulleted list. So the first one is workspace. And inside the workspace consists of, okay, I know I'm wasting some time, but yeah, I can do that. This is my video, I can choose. Now first there's the workspace, this topmost layer of the hierarchy. Then inside the workspace you can add pages. Then inside pages you can add sub pages, or you can add inside those sub pages, or like normally you can add blocks. Now what are blocks, you may ask? You may have figured it out on your own if you were paying attention to what was happening on the screen. But blocks are basically, you see, if you this is the center of the page, this is where the page is, like in the center. Now if I hover around this side, the sub page, okay, and this is the title, so you can see these two buttons, then again and again. So basically they are blocks. You can see that pages is a block, you can see sub pages is a block, you can see this is a block, you can see this is a block. So you can customize these blocks in any way you want to. You can drag them, you can turn them into something else. You can say turn pages into a page itself. Yeah, so if you go into pages, you have to yeah, so there are tons of things. You can even create a template from here to get some templates if you're not so into creating your own system by spending some time. But I think you have time to spare because you're looking at this video. Okay, now there are quite some categories. The first one is design. This basically includes all that corporate stuff. Then education, I like to browse through this. There's class notes. Yeah, you can basically add class notes, and I've not used these templates so much. I've created own um, my own system of managing stuff. I will be showing you to them in another video, as I said before. So please subscribe to my channel and support my channel. Now job applications, grade calculator, then reading list, like what books will be reading next, syllabus, classroom home, class directory. Then I like to go through the personal one as well, because everything else is basically corporate stuff. Yeah, so in personal there is quick note. I have this, when you create your account, this is automatically added when you create a workspace. Then there's personal home. There's so many things, literally. You can do almost anything. You can add a journal, you can add a task list, then you can add a page for goals that you have, and you can add a travel planner, you can add a page for adding all of your blog posts if you have a blog, that is. Then you can add a simple notebook, you can add a life wiki, a habit tracker. This is a pretty amazing one, by the way. I don't like this weekly agenda one because you can't actually decide what's going to happen in this week. But yeah, there's like so many things you can do with Notion. You have to download the app. I'm serious. You have to download the app, and you have to create a new system for in which you will be working. And so what I suggest is you subscribe to my channel, you smash the like button on this video, you add a comment down below, you click on the post notifications bell, and then you download the app, and then you create your own system for managing your life better. Thanks guys for watching this video, and as I said, like 4 instructions, the common drill, you have to do it. So yeah, bye.